Let us see quantitative reasoning on whole numbers. So this will be the last video that I will be making on whole numbers. So now, if you look at what we have on the board, we have cases of missing numbers. So for these three questions, we have cases of when a complete number is missing. So, and the second case that we have here is when some particular digits are missing, not an entire number. So now, for the case of when a complete number is missing, that's a very simple case. So there is a way we handle it. But if digits are missing, so that may prove a little bit technical than this. So now, as for this, we have a general way of doing them. Now, this is 6,783 plus a particular number, and the result is 10,000. So to figure out the number here, all you just need to do is to subtract this from this. Subtract what you are given from the answer. So this happens to be the answer. So that is how to do that. Even if it is this that is missing and you are given this, all you still need to do is to subtract if it is in the case of addition. In the case of addition, no matter what is missing, just subtract. So far you are given the total. So all we need to do is to do 10,000 minus this, 6,783. So I'll calculate that to get my answer. If you borrow from here, this remains 0. So I'll put 9 here, 9, 9, and 1. 10 minus 3, that will give me 7. 9 minus 8, that will give me 1. 9 minus 7, that will give me 2. 9 minus 6, that will be 3. So the answer that is missing, the number has to be 3,217. Now, let's go to the second question. Here we have subtraction. So they have subtracted a particular number, complete number, from 457. And the result is 126. Very simple. So if you are given the largest number and the number subtracted is missing, if it is arranged like this, to get the number here, you still need to subtract this, subtract your answer from the given question. So all I will do is 457 minus 126. So you use subtraction to do it. If the arrangement is like this, so 7 minus 6, that will give me 1, and 5 minus 2, that will give me 3, 4 minus 1, that will give me 3. So the number subtracted from 457 to provide 126 is 331. Now, in this second case of subtraction, where the biggest number is missing, and we are given the smaller number that is subtracted from it to get this result, all you need to do to get the biggest number, I will need to add this and this together. That means I'm doing 344 plus 47. So it means I am going to use addition to handle the situation. 4 plus 7, that's 11. Put 1 here. 1 plus 4 plus 4, that will give me 9. Then this is 3. So that means the biggest number where 47 is subtracted to get 344 is 391. You can see that all these category of questions, they are simple. Now let's come to this. This is a little bit technical. You have to think. So, when we are adding or subtracting, we usually start from the units. Now, what is happening here? This is addition. Why this is subtraction? Good. They have added a particular number to 8 to get 13. This, you cannot see this as ordinary 3 because this has to increase if we are doing addition. 8 has to increase. It cannot reduce to 3. So that's why you can't see this as ordinary 3. You have to see it as 13. So what number can you add to 8 to to get 13. So that has to be 5. So that means here must be 5. And of course, you know that if this is 13, I have to put down 3 and carry 1. But they did not show it. So I have to carry 1. This is 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 plus 9, that is 13. So that's why we put down 3 again and carry 1. Put 1 here. Good. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus a particular number, the result is 8. So 3 plus what is going to give me 8? So that must be 5. So the number here has to be 5. So this is just ordinary 8, no carrying of anything. So now here we have 7 plus 4, that's 11. So what's missing here? They wrote 1, and that means 1 must be missing here. So that means the answer here is 11,833. Now for the subtraction, so you have to also take it slow and gently. Now they subtracted 7 from a particular number and the result is 9. So that number has to be a bigger number. So the number must be bigger than 10. So, and you know that something, 2 digits cannot enter here. It has to be 1 digit. So, but that 1 digit must have borrowed from here. So this has to be remaining 2. So the one that we carry to this must make this become 2 digits. So the one that we borrowed from here to here must to make this 2 digits. So what number can I put here to make this 2 digits and subtract 7 and get 9? So you can simply do, okay, 7 plus 9. If you do 7 plus 9, that will give you 16. So the number that will go here has to be, so 16 minus 7 must give me 9. So I have to put 6 here. So that means 16 minus 7 is what will give me 9. Is that so? We know. Now 2 minus something give me 4. This one can also not be seen as ordinary 2. Something must have been borrowed from the next digit. So that this, because clearly 4 is bigger than 2. So we can't subtract something from ordinary 2 to still get us to 4. No, they must have borrowed from here. Now, this one too is a smaller number. It must have borrowed from here. So if I borrow from this will remain 4. Bring it to this will be 10. Borrow from that 10, this will remain 9. And this will be 12. Now, 12 minus a particular number and the result is 4. Of course, that should be 8. So the number must be 8. So good. So what remains here is just normal thing. 9 minus 4, that will give me 5. So I'm going to have 5 here. So 4 minus 2, and that gives me 2, which is correct. So the same sense is applied when it comes to multiplication and division. So you can go and practice all those ones by yourself. This is the end of week 2 mathematics whole number. My name is Sheikh Ridwan. Thank you. I am a mathematics tutor. I am an online tutor. Thank you.